media. Yes, man.
Notification squad, what? First of all, in the last video, I'm telling you say, oh, we almost reached 60,000. We are at 60,000 and beyond. Big up on yourself, thank you, Zane. Big up on yourself, man. I appreciate it, trust me. Alright, hear me now. For all the people who are in Jamaica and want shirts to purchase, this is what you are going to do. The black and gold design, that we are talking about. Email me, kevin2crazy@gmail.com. And when you email me, you're going to tell me your shirt size and your address. The reason I do it that way is so that I can know how much shirts I need to get done. I'm not going to need an address because I might have to mail it to you. Cool? So I'm going to do that. Let us do that. Certain things if you see and leave it alone. The saying goes, not take up where you can't manage. Alright, so not take up where you can't manage. Cool. But what happens when what you can't manage picks you up? She hides up Chris like a trophy. I don't know still know, but she is a big deal. My God, she's a big deal. She's about 6'9" for real. Can the church say traumatized? No, look on Chris' face. She need one of them with the sign there like what you see when you go at the fair. Must be at least this tall to go on this ride. As you can see the look on Chris Martin's face, he was thinking, she's every woman, she's all I need. After being traumatized once, Mama! Chris brave up and then go back for some more. Some more of all that she has to offer. Drop off you with your scale. Not so sure if this next brother they in a year league though. A very important part of this video is the momentum building. And just like anything that is built up, there is always the possibility of it tumbling down. And since dancing with women has become so dangerous, a descendant of the beast's bloodline come up with an ingenious way how to dance with women. Papa Jesus. Women, at this you put on a false hair and a false nails and makeup and a sexy dress for? If you go in a dance, go turn table. You know, could I turn your yard and turn table? Have man use your back for bounce about? You no do better than that. Hey, now I still in the back the tram. It look like I want sting clash could I keep up there and the back hold up firm, the back sturdy. Speaking of holding firm, Tanto Blacks, he couldn't do so. We are DJ Boss and catch up in our big guy, what down the Tanto, I make your love for drop so. People, it is not the first, nor is it the second. Neither is it the third time that this happened. Tanto, you will get a name change. Away with Tanto Blacks, in with Tanto Drops.
Tanto sat up on a wall. Tanto had a great fall. All the real riches and all the boobies could not put Tanto together again.
That's rich.
Now most of us men, we want to do our manly deed and sprinkle seed you know, get children. And if we get a daughter, right? And if you have a daughter, one of your duties as a father is to steer her down the path that will not lead to her being on film half naked and doing something stupid. But you know, they will only follow what you say for so long.
Scenes from the butt cracker.
I don't know what to say. Why would you... She must look at Kevin Hart dance. The next time she will try a stick of dynamite, yeah man, I hear those are real effective in getting the results that I think she was looking for. Some people make flaming asses of themselves, and others take making an ass of yourself all the way to the tail. Again, me don't know what to say. Women, a sauna roll is the false hair such a staple that you will go below and behind.
What is that? Yes.
Yeah, every man still.
Risk getting kicked in the face to get some long silky hair.
Every man still.
Oh no, fellow better than that. Don't better than that. You know, I know what the house I think. No, take it. A tail here, you want tail here, you have to get. Happy the shit I know so me use it to wipe up my hindquarters. And the whole of last week me did have running belly. No, take it and go on, man. What is luxury to Unum? A toilet paper for the ass them.
Wow, that's a lot of hair.
If you're there at the party and you smell horse manure every time a girl walk past,
What are you going to do with that hair now?
then you know what? You know where here come from. Oh no, make the ass them live on top, take the ass tail. Me not lose my temper.
Bring it to the owner. No.
Dexter Daps, Mr. Bring it to the owner, the man at the moment, eh? Mr. make porn films, music videos. You know, so we have to big up Dexter Daps still. Dexter Daps is the first and only artist where anyone I'm sang them is a girl song. Dexter Daps can sing when I'm gun sang them, when I'm Batman sang them, and the girl them head lick off. Boy, big 45 in the waist, when I roll up on the ends, boy, destiny. Me shout him and them friends, never know say, me don't take no talk. Say watch your step when you walk, cause we will kill you. Ah! Dexter! No, look for me and tell me say I like me and tell. You could have said some of the most gruesome bad man sitting in a song. The girl just, all the guys are singing. Dexter is like the Jamaican version of The Weeknd. You see the songs when them sing, if you were to say the lyrics instead of singing it, it would come off extremely aggressive and you might get a sexual harassment charge. But because them sing it now, let me demonstrate. When you say it, a girl will grab you by your neck and fling you upon the dresser. When you sing it like Dexter, boy, be happy me would have grab you by your neck and fling you upon the dresser. Ah! Dexter! No, me said tell me if I like me, I tell. Anyways, without further ado, the K2K version of Bring It to the Owner.
A message from my phone says she pregnant.
So dog, I hear one.
Boss man, ho! Oh, it we touch and know which year now.
Blood stain dog, so your sperm move slow.
The same thing me I think to myself right now.
Yo, hear me I say.
Yeah.
Link her back. Make she know say. The fucker shit fi stop.
Alright, stay up on the line, me I go link her now. Hello, Simone, yo, me I know the owner.
too, you know, me dep on the line too. Oh, you come tell the general about your brain. Now 2008, you man have sex. Eh? I'm with you now, 2017, that girl, what kind of baby you have for almost, what, 9 years? I want you. You try to get general before. I look like you a traitor in there ago. Let me know when you have this so I can buy your blood-stained plane ticket. Freaking wicked. Big fool, idiot girl. Yes, it is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, tear up the like button as you usually do. Share, subscribe. You know, 70,000 subscribers, next milestone. Turn on the post notifications. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it, and live to achieve it. Yeah, big up on yourself still. All our people them will stay to the end of the video. Big up on yourself, man. Me see on the comments, you see me? Big up on yourself. But not the real MVP too, you know. Not the real MVP. Big up on yourself.